I woke up in the mountains of Costa Rica in the middle part of the country, and I was about to have a typical Costa Rican breakfast at the hotel. I got some coffee and some fruit, and also I'm gonna get some beans and rice and cheese. I was gonna get some eggs also, but I can't eat eggs. I'm allergic to eggs. The weather was rough, and I was waiting for my two friends from Denmark. The rainbow is pretty cool on this side, but it's really windy here also. I was looking out at the rainbow, and my Danish friends had arrived. At this point I didn't know that we were about to get stuck in a river with our car and swim in crocodile-infested waters later today. Oh, I came out of the breakfast and it's just wet everywhere here, the water coming from... Oh. We waited for the rain to pass before we would head out. So we're here by the car again, waiting for my Danish friends. We're gonna go out for some new adventures today, maybe do some more cliff diving and keep driving around in the mountains here. Here they come. So the crazy Danish guys here, they might bring me into some trouble today because they want to go and jump from some tower in the lake.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know how that's gonna go.
He
is the crazy guy here.
Fuck it.
He wants to jump from some really high platforms today, so we'll see how that goes. But first we're gonna go into the car and then start the adventures for the day. Here we go again. So we drove all the way here to the Monteverde Cloud Forest, but we decided to leave before we even went into the forest. It's too really cold here and rainy and really windy, so we decided to keep searching for adventures somewhere else instead.
That's an old truck.
Oh, I wonder if this is the right road.
It has become so popular.
We really found the cloud forest now. You can't see anything. There are clouds everywhere. Fog, clouds, rain, wind. We had come to a deep rainforest in Costa Rica and were about to cross the deep rivers to get to the destination for the day. The road is flooded here. I wonder how deep it is. Maybe we'll get stuck here.
Really bad.
Or should it be maybe, should I walk out? We had crossed the first river and drove deeper into the forest, but this would just be the beginning of all the rivers. This road is really bad here.
Jeg ved ikke, hvor han går hen. Det er altså den gang, der er den oversvømt så meget. Fucking... Holy shit. Oh, that's not good. Get back.
Oh no. We can't go across. Shit. We were stuck in between two rivers that had really fast flow. The water was coming really quickly from further up the mountains. Now the question was if we could get through to the other side.
Look, there's some big rocks.
No.
We can't come up there. We can't come up there.
Yeah, we can.
I don't.
Why not?
All our stuff, like if we get stuck here.
Yeah.
So I have to check and make sure, see how deep it is here, if we can actually cross. It's a huge river, and we're gonna see if we can cross or not. But I have to check first and walk over there. So I'm checking the depth here now, and it seems like this part might work right here. The other part is really deep right there. We will probably get stuck right here. It's really deep. We might have to turn around and sacrifice a lot of time. He says that the car is waterproof, but I just walked over there and the water was up to my waist about here. So we'll see how this is gonna go. What do you think? What are your...
I don't know what I'm thinking right now. We're gonna die for sure.
Chancen i branchen.
What does it
That
mean
means like you're gonna take the chance, take the chance and win a barrel.
Okay, so we have three options. Either we drive across and everything is fine, or we drive and we get stuck and we might mess up the rest of the trip because we're stuck there and we can't get the car, or we turn around and waste 4 or 5 hours of today, and then we have to drive around the whole lake and into the other side. The question is, what are we gonna do? We're stuck here in between 2 rivers, but that one was not near as bad as where we are now. Yeah.
Hey! Thank you guys!
We had made it across to Lake Arenal, the biggest lake in Costa Rica. In 1979, there was a town called Arenal that is now located at the bottom of the lake. The lake was flooded on purpose to generate electricity from water movement. We were soon about to go for an unforgettable swim in this lake. Oof, we made it! Past the waterfall, or yeah, it was a waterfall. But first a quick stop next to the lake in a small town to have the national dish of casado de pollo again. The food is ready, 3,500 colones, $4 only, $4 US. Cheap. It has rice, beans, mashed potatoes, salad, chicken, fried banana and cheese. So we started driving again, and here we have some, I don't know what you call these, but some animals. They're running up to the car now. Oh.
What the hell?
Spray on there.
Where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark.
We need to give them some food. Alright, let's keep going to the lake. The rain is pouring down. Oh, shit weather all day. We had arrived to the lake, and in the background you can actually see a volcano. We're here now, and they wanna swim out to this tower and jump. The plan was to swim out to this tower, but there are some warning signs here. We're debating if we're gonna swim out there and jump or not. But the problem also is that the sun is going down in 25 minutes. There was a tower a couple of 100 meters out, and also the water in the lake like a swamp, which is where crocodiles usually thrive. We have decided to swim out to the tower, which is not a good idea because there's a bunch of signs here with skulls and deadly. It says you can die for something, but we did a lot of research, and we've seen people jump here before, so hopefully it's not dangerous. Oh no. I already know that this is a bad idea. It's really far out there. Police is coming. Should we just hide, or? Or should we go? What should we do?
Check it.
Let's see what he says if he sees the police. There are crocodiles in Costa Rica, so this was a bad idea. Gonna be further than what you think to swim also, usually. It looks like it's close by, but it's usually really far. We're starting to get a bit tired. Casper is tired. The worst part was over, but we had a long ways to go. It's getting a bit cold also, actually. Oh. How many minutes? 10 minutes we've been swimming. Swimming 10 minutes or so. Halfway there. 15 minutes. We're almost there. We had made it to the tower, but had to climb up on a rusty ladder.
Yeah.
This has been closed. We're gonna jump from up here. The highest part was closed off, unfortunately. Because we could not jump from there. So we're gonna just
Jump in and swim back. I've waited so long for this.
It was his dream.
Close it. No way, man.
It was getting really cold and dark, but we had finally made it back. We're back at the car.
William is about to get drunk.
No, they're not gonna influence me to get drunk. We don't have anywhere to live, and we have no cash. We need to find an ATM and somewhere to stay for the night. Or should we go to the hot springs maybe? We arrived to San Bosco Inn, the hotel. Very nice. Very bad. This was the cheapest room we got. 22,000 colones for one night. That's like $30 US or so. It's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please leave this video a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the... Please also let me know in the comment section which country you want to see more of. Mexico seems to have been the most popular country so far.